Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to register on SuperCell ID. This essential service helps protect your valuable game progress and makes it incredibly easy to switch between multiple devices or even different game accounts. It's a completely free service that links your game accounts to one secure email address. To begin, simply open your SuperCell game and navigate to the Settings menu, where you will find the SuperCell ID option readily available for you to select. Let's walk through the registration process step by step. First, open your SuperCell game and tap on the Settings icon, which typically looks like a small gear. Within the Settings menu, you will easily spot the SuperCell ID button. Go ahead and select it. Next, choose the Register Now option. You will then be prompted to enter your preferred email address twice to confirm it. Please make sure this email address is active and that you can access it, as it is crucial for the next stage. Once you have entered your email address, SuperCell will immediately send a unique 6-digit verification code to that address. It's important to check your email inbox thoroughly and remember to look in your spam or junk folders just in case it landed there. After you find the code, return to your game and carefully enter the 6-digit number into the designated field. Confirming this code will successfully link your game progress to your new SuperCell ID, securing your account. With your SuperCell ID now active, your game progress is safely stored and can be accessed from any device, anytime. One of the greatest advantages is the ability to easily switch between multiple SuperCell game accounts with just one tap, making account management incredibly simple. You can also connect with friends and enjoy a more integrated gaming experience. This provides immense peace of mind, knowing your hard-earned progress and entire gaming journey are fully protected and secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.